Hassan Minhaj here, and today we're diving deep into the world of online security. Specifically, we're talking about protecting your Google account. Think about it. Your Google account is like the key to your digital life. It's got your emails, your photos, your documents, maybe even your cat videos playlist. You don't want some random hacker dude getting their greasy fingers on all that, right? That's why we're going to break down some easy steps to make your Google account Fort Knox level secure. We're talking simple stuff that even my grandma, who still thinks the internet is a fad, can understand. So buckle up, grab your favorite beverage, and let's get this digital security party started. First up, let's talk about passwords. A strong password is your first line of defense. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Next, enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification. Regularly check your account activity for any suspicious logins. If something looks off, change your password immediately. Finally, keep your software up to date. Updates often include security patches that protect you from new threats. Follow these steps and you'll be well on your way to keeping your Google account safe and secure. Let's do this. First up, we got two-factor authentication, or 2FA for the cool kids. Think of it like this. You wouldn't leave your house unlocked with a sign saying free stuff inside, come on in. That's basically what you're doing if you don't have 2FA enabled. It's like having a super vigilant bodyguard for your account. Someone tries to break in with just your password? Nope, 2FA steps in and says, hold up buddy, who are you? It adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification, like a code sent to your phone. This way, even if someone steals your password, they can't get into your account without that second piece of the puzzle. Alright, let's break it down Barney style. Step 1, log into your Google account. You know, the one with your face on it, hopefully not a cat meme. Step 2, look for security. It's usually in the settings somewhere. Google likes to move things around, so it might be playing hide and seek. Step 3, find two-step verification or two-factor authentication. Click it. Step 4, follow the instructions. Google will walk you through the process. It's easier than ordering pizza online. Step 5, boom, you're now officially double protected. See? That wasn't so bad, was it? Now let's talk about passwords, the gatekeepers of your digital kingdom. Don't be that person using password 123 or their pet's name. That's like leaving your front door wide open with a welcome mat that says, come steal my stuff. A strong password is like a complex riddle that only you know the answer to. It's long, it's got a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and it's not something someone could guess by looking at your social media. Think of it like this. The longer and more complex your password, the longer it'll take a hacker to crack it. And trust me, they're not exactly known for their patience. Section 5. Crafting uncrackable passwords. Here are some pro tips for creating passwords that would make even the most skilled hacker cry. 1. Length matters. Aim for at least 12 characters. The longer your password, the harder it is to crack. Think of it as adding more layers of security. I know, it's a lot to remember, but your digital life is worth it. Each character you add exponentially increases the difficulty for hackers. 2. Mix it up. Use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. This variety makes it much harder for automated tools to guess your password. Think of it like a delicious digital stew. The more diverse the ingredients, the richer the flavor and the stronger the password. 3. Don't be predictable. Avoid using personal information like your name, birthday, or pet's name. These are the first things hackers will try. Hackers can easily find this information online. They often scour social media profiles for clues. 4. Don't reuse passwords. I know it's tempting to use the same password for everything, but resist the urge. Each account should have a unique password. It's like using the same key for your house, car, and secret underground lair. If one key is compromised, all your assets are at risk. 5. Use a password manager. If remembering all those complex passwords is giving you a headache, a password manager can help. It stores and encrypts your passwords securely. It's like a digital vault for all your passwords, and you only need to remember one master password. This way you can have strong, unique passwords for every account without the stress of memorizing them all. Section 6. Keeping tabs on your devices. Now let's talk about devices. Remember all those times you logged into your Google account on your friend's tablet, a public computer, or that one time you let your grandma borrow your phone? Yeah, those devices might still be connected to your account. It's like having a bunch of open doors to your digital home. Time to do some spring cleaning. Google lets you see which devices have accessed your account and when. Log into your account, go to your security settings and look for device activity or something similar. If you see any devices you don't recognize or no longer use, boot them off your account faster than you can say digital detox. Section 7. Recovery email and phone, your safety net. Imagine this, you forget your password. Panic sets in. You're locked out of your own digital life. Don't worry, my friend, this is where your recovery email and phone number come in. It's like having a spare key hidden under the welcome mat. Make sure your recovery email and phone number are up to date and accessible. Otherwise, you're stuck outside your own digital house knocking on Google's door for help. And trust me, Google's customer service isn't exactly known for its speed or efficiency. Section 8. App permissions. Don't be too trusting. Remember all those apps and websites you've connected to your Google account. They might seem harmless, but they could be accessing more data than you realize. Yeah, those apps might have access to your data, and not just basic information, but sometimes sensitive data too. Some of them need it to work properly, like your email app. It makes sense for it to access your contacts and messages, but others? Not so much. Do you really need that game app to access your location or your microphone? It's like giving your house key to every stranger you meet. You wouldn't do that in real life, so why do it online? Go through your connected apps and websites and revoke access to anything you don't trust or use anymore. It's a simple step that can make a big difference. You'll find this option in your Google account settings, usually under Security or Privacy. Take a few minutes to review it. Remember folks, protecting your online accounts is crucial in this digital age. It's not just about convenience, it's about security. It's not just about keeping your cat videos safe. It's about protecting your identity, your privacy, and your peace of mind. Your digital life is valuable. So be proactive, be vigilant, and stay one step ahead of those pesky hackers. They are always looking for vulnerabilities. Until next time, stay safe online. Take control of your digital security and make it a priority. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and insights. And let me know in the comments below.